Hey guys, what's going on? So this video is going to be really quick, but I'm sure it's going to help you out if you don't know how to do this. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a white background and let's just say an image like this. So this is a thumbnail I made and I had to get rid of this background. It's actually really simple. So all you have to do is you go over here to your toolbar, go to this one right here, hover over it. It's called Magic Wand. Then select Magic Wand. Now, what you want to do is you want to move your mouse over to the white part. Left click on it. And it's selected around it. And then you just want to hit delete on your keyboard. And then, to get rid of this, just hit Control and D. Or Command D. And it deselects it. And then you may have some extra parts, so just do it again. And there you go. It's all, oh, almost missed it. Good practice. There you go. That's all you have to do.